Right, okay guys, so the kids have gone swimming, Mark took them swimming, and I've finished pottering around, tidying up. I've just finished doing the washing, and I thought while it's quiet I'm going to sit down and I'm going to show you this DHGate purchase which I've picked up for when we go on holiday to Florence in a couple of months' time. So I picked this up, DHGate. I ordered it on, let me tell you. Right, I can't remember when I ordered it, but it was shipped on the 20th of February and I received it on the 29th, so it took 9 days to come in the post, but I'd ordered it, but I'd like to say a week before that, before it was actually shipped out. So 2 weeks, and I paid £45.77 for it, and I was given a £3.95 discount. So let's open it up. So I've already opened the bag and this paperwork was in there, so I knew what it was that was coming because it's the only order I was waiting for. So it's come with, I mean, I'm not bothered about any of this stuff, it doesn't bother me. But it's come with some like stickers and a Hong Kong Limited receipt, a Louis Vuitton sales receipt, and another receipt, and apparently it was 19,800 Hong Kong dollars. Like I say, I'm not bothered about that. It's a replica and it is what it is. If I could afford the real deal, guys, I certainly would be shopping for the real deal, but I cannot. So let's get it out of the bag. I just hope it's good quality. When I looked at all the reviews were like amazing, and everybody was saying that this is amazing, so hopefully it is. So here's the dust bag. You can see it's a Louis Vuitton and it's quite big as well. Let's just get it out. It's well packaged. The only reason I opened this up was, look how much tape's on that. I couldn't get into it. Mark had to cut it open for me because I was too scared of cutting this or the dust bag. So let's take that one out. So I would just say that this is like a mediocre standard quality sort of dust bag. Again, I'm not fussed about the little bits and bobs. I know some people like the little things that come with it. This doesn't bother me because it will probably never go back in the dust bag again. I will keep it if I come to resell the bag, but I don't tend to keep them in. So, ooh, nice. So, I'm not sure what this one's called. I can't remember. I will look it up online. But it's the reverse monogram. Bit of fluff there. Oh, that's just off the dust bag. So it's is it the reverse jumbo monogram, and I think it's like the shopper bag. I've already got a Neverfull, but it's that battered. The straps are actually cracking and breaking on it now, and so I just use it as a gym bag. So it's the dark brown and like the caramel on one side. Oh, look at the chaps. Wow. Now they are, oh look, it's got a tag on. They are nice quality. Can you see how they're not flat and they're like curved? I love that, the detail. Can you see? The detail, those chaps are lovely. And you've got LV on here, so you've got like the reverse colour on that side and then the normal colour on the reverse side. And then you've got the small LV on that side and then small LV in like the dark brown on that side. So it comes with, let's open these up, opposite handles. So again, on the reverse colour you've got the normal colour, and then on the normal coloured side you've got the reverse coloured handles on that side. And then on the inside you get the two long straps. The only thing about this bag is I don't like how you can't take these ones off, so you can have it on with the big straps, but these ones flap and I don't like that. I like to be able to take these off, and that would have just, I would have probably kept the chaps on. If you could clip those off, for me that would be perfect. So again, do you want to go out, Chester? Chester, what are you doing? He's hiding under the curtains. What are you doing, monkey? Oh God, why can't I get this one open? This is proving challenging. Could do with some scissors. There we go. Right, chuck that down there. Oh, put it on there, look. Right, so, oh, they feel nice, and they're the same length. Okay, they feel nice. They feel a bit, the edging there, the glazing feels a bit waxy. And then on the, oh, the inside's nice. Is bright red, if you can see. Oh, beautiful red that is. And a really nice, so on this side, you've got that side's plain, nothing on it. On this side you have 2 little pockets there. And then you have, let's see if this zipper works. Yeah. Oh, that works nicely. You have a zipper compartment, and that's really deep as well, actually. That's nice. All the hardware here, like the buckle, well, they're not buckles, what are they, like your D-rings, are all appropriately stamped. And this little lobster clasp, oh, it works, so you can clasp it together. That has LV on both sides, and you have a Louis Vuitton Paris made in France tag there, and then let's see if it has a date code in it. Oh, here we go. Okay, so you're not going to be able to see this, guys, but it does have, it says Louis Vuitton Paris made in France, and it has one of those, is it QR scan things? Has it got an actual date code in it? No, it's not got an actual, unless I'm just being blind, it's not got an actual date code in, but it's got that little QR scanner, but I'm not bothered about that. So yeah, so I just thought that this was the perfect size for travelling. I'll be able to get my laptop in there, all my passports, everything that I need, makeup bags, all that kind of jazz. So everything will fit in there, and then after, I know it sounds crazy, but it'll just be a glorified gym bag apart from when I'm travelling. It's a lot better quality than my gym, what, I say gym bag, my Neverfull, what I use. To be fair, the Neverfull's fine. The actual bag is the straps that are really bad. I think because they're not real leather, after a while they've cracked and now they're hanging on by threads. So this will just get used for that eventually. But it is a lovely travel bag. It's too big for me on a day-to-day. If you're an office kind of girl, or you like a big bag, or you carry a lot, this will be perfect. The shoulder straps are nice, they just fold in there when you don't need them, and then you can carry it like a tote bag in the crook of your arm. And then that's the inside with your straps in there, or you can have it on your shoulder. And this is how I'll probably wear it for travelling, because it's nice and on your shoulder, just there. Everything inside, I can keep my arm over it, keep it nice and closed. And like I say, you can also close the little clasp as well. Well, yeah, guys, I like it. It's nice. It's all the glazing looks nice. The stitching's beautiful. It feels really nice and durable. It doesn't feel like it's going to crack or get damaged, and to be honest, I look after my handbags really, really well. I treat these like they are the real deal. Everybody knows they're not the real deal because I'm honest about that, and it doesn't bother me, but I treat them like they are the real deal, and they always look beautiful and well looked after. So yes, guys, my battery just died, so I just had to pop another battery in. So what was I saying? I think I was saying that it's beautiful, I love it, and yeah, nice quality. And for 45 quid or whatever it was around there, it's really nice quality. These chaps have blown me away. How they are raised and like padded like that is just lovely. So yeah, the stitching's nice, the glazing's nice, everything's centered, not off point. Yeah, I really like it. So guys, I just thought I'd quickly drop it in there and show you because it was on there when I was cleaning up earlier, and I know you guys will be going, oh, can we see the handbag? And that's it, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see anything else, I have got a few more replica items coming, so if you would like to see those in another video when they are delivered, let me know in the comments down below and I can do that for you. If you want a more in-depth review or an update on this bag of how it wears, let me know down below and I can update you on that. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, guys, leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new and join our internet family. So guys, that being said, I'm going to go and get a shower, call it a night, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next one. Bye.